Alright, YouTube viewers, this is Steve with AZ Blade Broker again. Today we're doing a review on a GANZO 7392-CF. 7392-CF. Of course, the CF indicating that it is carbon fiber scales. This is pretty similar to the everybody's after the 7533s. You know, almost exactly the same length, very similar shape. Carbon fiber scales, reversible pocket clip. Of course, it's not the coated version. This is a stonewashed version, and it does not have the blue colored hardware. It's just polished, looks to be stainless hardware. And like most GANZO knives, the blade is 440C. Of course, this is the newer style of this with the Firebird logo on it. Pretty much all their, I don't know, I guess if you call them higher end knives, are coming with the Firebird logo nowadays. There you go. Let's check some dimensions on this thing. This one's coming in about just under 8 1/4 total length, and right at 3.5 inch of blade length. Okay. Scales out here. 4.5 ounces. 126 grams. 126. Alright, we have these in stock, shipping out of the United States from here in my home in Arizona, from my eBay store at surplus-steve11. I'm sorry, surplus-steve11 on eBay and on Gunbroker where we have our automatic GANZOs. Check us out. Thanks.